Why don't many homeowners in the US install embedded LED lights in front of their garages? This small upgrade can totally transform the look of your house at night. First, he drilled a hole in the concrete, then used a long drill bit to go deep into the soil below. How did he do that? Then he ran the cable through an existing expansion joint. It may seem like a pro job, but with basic electrical skills, you can easily do it yourself. Just make sure to check with your HOA first. After wiring it up, he installed stainless steel in-ground lights and sealed the gaps with polymer sealant to keep moisture out. By day, you hardly notice it, but at night, the effect is amazing. Want to make your garage look cooler? This simple upgrade is totally worth it.